In this video, I'll give you an update on my weight loss journey. It's late 2017, a lot of time has passed, and everything's working out for me. I'm always working at decreasing the junk I eat. It's really hard because that food tastes good, but I'm decreasing it in proportions and frequency. And actually, once you decrease it, I found that it's kind of like once you get momentum, it's easy to get the momentum going. So once you fix your diet, what I had to do is remove the triggers that would cause me to fail on my diet, like maybe just buying cookies and then I would like eat a bunch of cookies. But if I didn't buy them, I wouldn't have them at home, and then I wouldn't have the temptation. So I kept improving my diet, kept on working out, kept the weight off. It looks like I gained more muscle, lost a little bit of fat. I'm like still not a stick figure, but I'm totally in shape. So that's been working. It's pretty simple. I don't do anything. I weigh myself like once every 2 months. I don't really read the calories on the labels. All I do is, stick to fruits and vegetables. I've been getting into a lot of walnuts and like green apples or different kinds of apples, a lot of fruit, vegetables, less carbs, less sugar. Just take that out, and it's actually and reduce the frequency and the size of the portions, and it's a no-brainer. You'll get there, and some exercise, and you'll be getting there. And always calibrate. If you see yourself going out of whack, maybe eating a little bit more, okay, maybe stop that or do a little bit more exercise. So calibrate, and you'll be able to maintain the weight and integrate it easily into your lifestyle, which is the key to staying healthy and in shape long term.